Question number 24. This problem is going to be about selling some candy. And you'll notice you're going to be selling two different items. You're going to be selling M&Ms, and you're going to be selling Reese's. As soon as you see this these little comments right here, you should have an idea of how you're going to write this equation. Because you have two variables being sold, you're going to be using standard form for this equation. So this is how you write your first one. Standard form is written like this: ax plus by is equal to c. And when you fill in your information, we're going to have x be M&Ms. So that's $1.50 times x plus $2 times your Reese's is equal to the total amount of money, which, I didn't read that yet. She collected, here's your amount of money at the bottom, $95. Now, the second equation in here, you might have missed it first. The second equation is found right in this sentence. The fact that Sherry sold $50 total, that's actually a very simplistic equation, but a lot of people miss it. All it means is that if you add the number of boxes of M&Ms to the number of Reese's, you get 50. These two equations are how you're going to solve this problem. When you are solving systems of equations, there's three ways to do it. You can graph them, you can use substitution, or you can eliminate. For this one, because you already have y and x almost alone, I think that I would do substitution. I'm going to start by rewriting this red equation like this. Y is equal to 50 subtract x. And then I'm going to use this equation to substitute into the blue equation. So you have $1.50 x plus 2y, but in this case I'm replacing or substituting y for 50 subtract x, and that's equal to $95. You have a little bit of distribution to do. $1.50x plus 100 minus 2x is equal to 95. You've got two things that are family here. You've got $1.50 x and minus 2x. So $1.50 minus 2 would give you negative 0.5 or negative 0.50 x plus 100 is equal to 95. Now we're just going to finish solving this problem. The opposite of add 100 is subtract 100. 95 subtract 100 is equal to negative 5. And that's negative 0.5x. To get rid of multiply by negative 0.5, we are going to divide by negative 0.5. So that's negative 5 divided by negative 0.5, and our answer is 10. So x equals 10, and if you didn't know what 10 was, you can look back here. X is the number of boxes of M&Ms. So we could add the words boxes of M&Ms. Now, to finish this problem, you have to go back to the equation you view as the easiest and figure out how many Reese's were sold. I definitely think that the red equation up here is the easiest. So let me write that. X plus y equals 50. And I know now that x is 10. So 10 plus y equals 50. Which means after I subtract 10, that y must be 40. So that's 40 boxes of Reese's. So my final answer is 10 boxes of M&Ms and 40 boxes of Reese's.